Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get an English accent. To begin, immerse yourself by actively listening to native English speakers from diverse regions. Pay close attention to their pronunciation and intonation patterns. A crucial step is to record your own speech and compare it to native speakers. This self-assessment helps you pinpoint specific sounds and speech habits that need refinement. Consistent listening and self-correction are foundational for developing a more authentic accent. Dedicate at least 10 to 15 minutes daily to this practice. Mastering pronunciation is key to sounding more natural. Focus on individual vowel sounds, like the short and cat versus the long and father, and distinct consonant sounds. Intonation, the melody of speech, is equally important. Notice how sentences rise and fall. Mimicking the rhythm and stress patterns of native speakers will significantly enhance your accent. Practice these elements consistently for about 20 minutes each day to build muscle memory and improve clarity. Expanding your vocabulary and incorporating common phrases will make your accent sound more authentic. Familiarize yourself with idioms and expressions frequently used by native English speakers. Actively integrate British English vocabulary, such as lift instead of elevator or queue instead of line, into your daily conversations. Additionally, practice using linking words and phrases to ensure your speech flows smoothly and naturally. This will help you sound more like a native speaker. Consistent practice and immersion are vital for long-term progress. Seek opportunities to engage in conversations with native English speakers, even if it is for just 5 to 10 minutes. Watch British films, television shows, and listen to podcasts without subtitles to train your ear. Dedicate at least 15 minutes every day to focused accent practice, perhaps by reading aloud or repeating phrases. Regular exposure and active practice will solidify your accent over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.